The first step to heat apply CAD-PRINTZ Glitter material is to load your garment onto the press, ensuring a flat printing surface. At that point, you can set your temperature and your time. CAD-PRINTZ Glitter applies at 302 degrees for 12 seconds. I'm also programming a 3-second preheat to remove the moisture and the wrinkles from my garment. This product requires a medium pressure. On the Hotronix Auto Open Clam, my pressure adjustment knob is over center. I can adjust that knob and lock the machine down, and it will give me a display up on the control board that tells me I'm at a 5 pressure. That's on a scale from 0 to 9, so it's perfect. It's right in the middle. It's a medium pressure. With the pressure, time, and temperature appropriately set, I'm ready to complete my application. That starts by preheating the garment for a few seconds. Now I can grab my CAD-PRINTZ Glitter transfer. I can remove the backing from the transfer. It's ready to position into place. Has a sticky backing to hold it into place. I cover it with a cover sheet, in this case craft paper. Lock the machine down for the 12 seconds at the 302 degrees for a medium pressure. This product is a hot peel, which means I can remove the backing immediately to reveal my completed result.